Roth IRA Gold Investment. Grow retirement wealth with gold. If you've ever wondered whether gold can fit inside a Roth IRA strategy, here's the key idea. A Roth IRA is designed for long-term, tax-advantaged growth, and precious metals can be used as a diversification tool inside certain retirement structures. Gold has a long track record as a store of value during periods of inflation, currency weakness, and financial uncertainty. That's why many investors look at gold not as a get-rich-quick asset, but as a form of portfolio insurance. The goal is stability and resilience, especially when traditional markets get volatile. Now, it's important to understand the structure. You typically can't just buy gold coins and drop them into a Roth IRA yourself. Retirement accounts have rules. To hold physical precious metals in a retirement structure, you generally need an IRS-approved custodian and an approved depository for storage. The metal must meet certain purity standards and be handled the right way. For many people, the real question becomes, how much exposure makes sense? Some investors want a small slice for diversification. Others want a larger hedge if they're concerned about the dollar, inflation, or market risk. The smartest approach is to focus on your goals. Are you trying to reduce volatility, hedge purchasing power risk, or build a more durable retirement plan? To find out our list of the best companies to invest in and more information, go to preciousmetalscentral.com.